Gina Spice has just gotten out of her crate. Daisy, they ate their dinner in their crate. You might want to do that with her. She doesn't like to share her food. She's not like mean, but your dog's not going to be used to having somebody there when he's eating too. And feeding them in their crate is just so easy. She runs right in there and eats and lays down on her pillow pad. Don't you, Miss Spice? Don't you? There's Charlie Brown, Sir Galahad, Baloo Bear, Daisy, Spice. There's a rainbow in the sprinkler. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Yeah, isn't it cool? There they go. There she goes. She's fun. You guys are going to have a blast with her. Your dog's going to love her. There she goes to the sprinkler. Hey, Jezzy, where you been? This is Jezebel. Charlie Brown's attacking the toy. It's playtime here in the afternoon. It's just kind of fun. I let dogs out in shifts. Hey, pretty boy. Hey, pretty boy. Hey, Spice. Sit. Look at you sit. You good girl. Good girl. Give Jezebel a kiss. Go play in the water. Go play in your sprinkler. Go get it.